You will need one 10mm socket and ratchet, one 10mm end wrench, and preferably 2 or more persons. A drill for speed and a workbench are optional. First, to assemble the mill. You will need the top rail, base rail, and side frames. Begin by placing the base rail on the floor or workstation, logos facing front. Position the front of the left side frame to the right of the base rail. The single long arm of the side frame will run from the front of the base to the top back of the unit. The next step is easier with 2 persons. Lift one end of the base rail while another person inserts 3 M6 screws into the side rail, connecting the base rail. Washers are provided for each screw to be used on the outside of the side rail. While inserting screws, do not tighten. Repeat these steps for the left side of the base rail. Lift the top rail, any side facing front, near the top of the side rail. Insert 2 screws into each side rail, connecting the top rail. Do not tighten yet. When all screws are inserted, ensure the frame is aligned or square on all sides, and then tighten all 10 screws with a wrench or ratchet. And now we add the turbines. You will need the help of an assistant for this step. Before we begin, please do not remove the red security tape on the receiver plates until your system is connected and ready to produce energy. First, select any turbine as they are all interchangeable. We will place the first turbine in the center for balance. You will need to ensure the turbine is right side up. To do this, look for the end of the turbine that matches the S-shaped grooves of the base rail and snap it into place on the base rail. Next, steady the top plate and use your hand to slightly lift the top rail to slide the top of the turbine into the top receiver plate and release the top rail. Insert 1 turbine screw on each side of the turbine blade on the top rail, and then on the base rail. Do not tighten until all 4 screws are in place on top and bottom. Repeat these steps for the left and right turbines. Again, please do not remove the red security tape on the receiver plates until your system is connected and ready to produce energy. Our mill assembly is now complete.